Hello, hello, Atomy Nigeria. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. I'm so excited, ladies and gents. Atomy Nigeria, UK, US, and everywhere. Atomy Global. I've just done an unboxing of the first batch that has just arrived. Okay. Now, this is your products. Can you see them? Out of Nigeria. Can you see them? Let me move out of the way. I'm sure you don't want to see me. You want to see the products. Here, see. These are all yours, and there's so many more coming. Toothpaste, the Propolis, the popular bestseller Propolis Toothpaste. You know? And I remember some of you were almost drawing my ears. Make sure you bring Propolis Toothpaste. Make sure we want more of Propolis Toothpaste. We want more of Propolis Toothpaste. Make sure whatever you do, you bring Propolis Toothpaste. Oh my God. So I've got all of this and much more. You see? There's much more. I told you guys, Propolis, 5 in a pack. Each pack is a 200-gram pack made from propolis, which is the brownish jelly-like substance around the beehive, and catechin, which is the active ingredient in green tea. These two properties have known to have very high antibacterial properties. Can you go wrong with that? No chemicals, okay? Oh dear. And look at that one. 2 more. And I've got another box load of this. So I am in Nigeria. Here we come. Guys, if you have not ordered, please, there's still time. 2 more batches coming. Okay, so there's still time. All right. If you haven't ordered, order, because I don't want it to come. And those of you who haven't ordered, you start struggling with those who have actually placed order. It's not going to happen this time. Okay. It's not gonna happen like that this time. You get what you order for, okay? So if you haven't ordered, sorry. The last time we brought vitamin C, I know she knows herself. One person cleared the whole vitamin C, but that is not going to happen again. You know, that is not going to happen again. Now we have loads and loads and loads of vitamin C. Oh my gosh. Have you tasted Atomy vitamin C? Oh my gosh. If you taste Atomy vitamin C, you're not going to buy any other vitamin C again. I can assure you, because I have used it. Remember my video? Give me Atomy products anytime. So guys, look. It's going to get to you very soon. So if you haven't ordered, please feel free. You can still send your orders, okay? See, that's another vitamin C. Then we've got omega-3. This is another popular one, omega-3. Have you heard? Atomy omega-3 comes from specially selected species of fish. You find them in the deep waters in Alaska, you know, and they are known to have the highest concentration of fish oil. That is the kind of fish that Atomy uses for their own fish oil. So Atomy fish oil is different. Atomy omega-3 is different. I get excited every time I'm taking this. My son loves it, my family love it, and my friends love it. Come on, how can you go wrong? Best quality fish oil in the market. And this is another top global bestseller for your heart functioning, brain functioning. Those of you who have elderly parents, why not start now? And those of you who just want to maintain that general heart function and brain function, you also need this, okay? Especially when you're getting to my age. Well, guys, so I'm so excited. I feel like it's mine. I'm so excited. Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus. This is for gut health. You know anybody with irritable bowel syndrome? Diverticulitis, what's the other one now? Digestive problems, constipation. Just recommend this for them, okay? Just They'll be thanking you for a long time. This is Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus. It's made up of 12 lactobacilli, which is called the good bacteria that our gut needs. Okay? So you know anybody with any colon kind of issues, recommend this to them. They will be thanking you for a long time. Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus. Let me bring it closer. Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus. Good. This is Triactive Calcium. Some of you ordered this, okay? So you see, it's landed. It's on the way to you, okay? Atomy Triactive Calcium. Another good top favorite. Oh, gosh. And there we go with Atomy Spirulina, okay? If you are green, you love the greens, okay? And you're a vegetarian, and you're, what do they call them now? Vegan. You will love this, okay? Again, pure natural chlorophyll. Oh my gosh. Look at Atomy Hair Oil Complex, okay? We sold loads of this in the first batch. You know, we sold loads and loads of this. People love this. For some reason, they love this. The Atomy Hair Oil Complex, okay? All right? And you know the popular peel-off mask? The peel-off mask, the foam cleanser, the peeling gel, all this make up the evening care set. You can buy them as the set, okay? Or you can buy them individually, like in individual packs like this, okay? But we have them 4 in a pack to make up the evening care set, okay? Now, I love this, the Poo Tea Active Weight Loss, okay? Have you tried Atomy Poo Tea? You will never take any other tea, okay? This one helps you to, it increases your body's metabolism and thereby helping you to burn those calories really fast. Oh dear. And this one is Atomy Body Care Lotion. I did put this on the group chat. Atomy Body Care Lotion. Another lovely one. Trust me. And the fragrance. Oh my God. If you try Atomy fragrance and body products, beauty products rather. Oh my gosh. I love their fragrance. You almost feel like you just want to eat them. Please don't eat them. And our big one, the Himo. This is a big one. It's our flagship product. It's quite expensive, okay? So, and because it's very weighty, I can't really bring this into Nigeria now because, you know, weight. Even the toothpaste is quite weighty, you know, but it's just everybody's favorite. People just love the toothpaste, so I have no choice, you know, but to bring the toothpaste, you know, and woo, look at this. Atomy Tumacin. This is for overall joint health, okay? For your joint, your knees, your backs, your waist, everywhere. There is a joint in your body. You want to take care of those joints, don't you? Okay? And our Tumacin works like magic. Let me tell you my own personal testimony about this Tumacin. I was, a couple of months now, I was just going up my stairs and I just felt, boom, my knee just went cluck, you know? And after that sound, for the next 2 days, I was like literally limping. And I said, no, arthritis, you dealt with my mom till she died. Arthritis, you are not going to see me. No way. So I started, obviously, I go with my faith first. I started praying. Then at the end of the day, I did what I needed to do as well. I got this. I said, how can I be recommending things to people and I will not use it? Let me even see if this works. And then I got it. Guys, after 2 weeks, and this was months and months ago, after 2 weeks of using this, it never came back. I never felt it. I never, you know, so somewhere along the line, it works. Atomy Tumacin. So, I'm so excited. I just thought to whet your appetite, you know. So those of you who haven't ordered, please feel free, send in your order. Let's do it. I'll see you at the live we're having shortly, the Zoom.